What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for everyone been showing support lately on the last two videos. This is part 3 of our massive stock drop that we had, about 80 items in total. We've got another absolute belter for you today. We've got ghost pieces, marina pieces, some really nice standard stony pieces, central badge, all of it. So make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So we're starting off with this Stone Island turtleneck jumper. It's a nice knitted material in this beautiful beige colour. We have this available in large, XL and 2XL, and these ones, they do come up pretty true to size. So unlike normal knits where you might have to upsize, if you're an XL you might have to buy a 2XL because they come up a bit small. These ones, they come up pretty good. It'll all be on the website as per at clobberisland.co.uk. Let's go check it out if you are interested in this piece. They're brand new with tags, and yeah, really nice soft knitted material. Will look really smart under a nice jacket or something like that. Up next we've got this Stone Island Marina t-shirt. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's in a navy colour. It's got like a cream collar with the white detailing on the shoulders. Nice thick material, these Marina t-shirts. This one is an XL, however I believe it's about 26 pit to pit. It's big. Maybe even 25.5, so it's very big. So I would say it would be an oversized XL, very oversized XL, 2XL. It might even fit a 3XL. I don't know. You'd have to measure your own t-shirts, get your pit to pit. If you don't know how to do it, I know I mention it a lot. Just lay it down flat on the floor and measure from under one armpit to the other when it's laid flat. That'll give you a pit to pit measurement. With that, you can then go on to any people, like any Stone Island reseller. Most of us put the pit to pit measurements, and it'll tell you whether or not it'll fit you or not. I can't remember if this will fit a 2XL or a 3XL like nicely, or a massively oversized XL, which some people like that style. So yeah, really nice though. It's got the logo there, very smart. Nice thick tee. Then up next we've got this Stone Island Marina, like reflective logo there. Really nice, thick, heavy cotton material. Yeah, so this one is in a 2XL, but I believe it's about 27.5 pit to pit. So these are coming up big, this Marina stuff. I did have another one in XL, but it actually sold on the website this morning. So this is my last one left. This one's a 2XL, but like I say, you could wear it as like an oversized 2XL, or if you're a 3XL, it might fit you quite nicely. So make sure you check all those measurements. We put all the neck to hem, we put the pit to cuff, and then we put the pit to pit on the website, so you can kind of get a gauge of whether or not it'll fit you or not. But really nice, nice thick quality material in this nice bluey colour. Up next we've got this Performance Twill Wool TC Ghost piece. This is kind of like a lightweight jacket slash thicker overshirt in this lovely khaki colour in a 2XL, and it does fit 2XL pretty true to size. I think it's about 26 pit to pit. And it is absolutely stunning. These retail for about £1,045. I'm going to be selling it for about £540, something like that. And it is a very nice, smart piece. Absolutely beautiful if you've got the cash to be splashing on this bad boy. Then we've got this nice beige Stone Island overshirt, cotton material. Standard piece, but everyone needs one. Size large, I think it's 22.5 pit to pit as well. So up next we've got this half zip cream coloured knitwear jumper. You pull it over your head and then the zip just goes down to about halfway. We've got the chest compass in the middle there, which is obviously something just a little bit different to the normal standard on your arm. But yeah, it's like this knitted material. You can see that it's really nice, really smart. Gives it, it's like old school vibes. This, the way it feels, the cotton, the material, all of that, it feels very old school. It feels like a piece from the 80s or 90s. But yeah, it's really nice. This one's a 2XL, comes at 24.5 pit to pit. So again, be a little bit careful on those pit to pits because this is coming up a little bit smaller. But it is a knitwear piece, so we know that knitwear comes up a little bit tight anyway. Just bear that in mind. It might be alright if you're like a bigger XL or a smaller 2XL. But yeah, really smart piece. Something a little bit different. Something I've not had in before. So yeah, nice to have that in. Up next, we've got a couple green knitwear jumpers. One in large and one in extra large. And these are really nice. Got really nice detailing across the front there, if you can see that. Nice and tight around the neck as well. They're quite high neck pieces, which I really like. Up next, this absolute beauty. This is a chunky knit beige roll neck, and it's a lot thicker than the knitwear I just showed you. So that piece will be on my website for about £179, something like that. This piece does cost quite a lot more. It's a lot more chunky, it's a lot more thicker. The retail on this is a hell of a lot more. I think the retail on this is like £550, something like that. So obviously I have to charge a little bit more because I pay more. But yeah, it's nice, thick, beige, absolutely gorgeous piece that. large 23 pit to pit as well. And for a knitted piece at 23 pit to pit size large, that comes up really nice. I tried this on myself and it fits me beautifully. Up next, another Marina bad boy. So this is a beige full zip hoodie and it's very heavy. It's proper chunky, heavy cotton. It's got this white design on the arms as well. It's got a nice white zip there. Yeah, really nice, like beige color, but so heavy. This one's an extra large, but I think it's about 27 pit to pit. So I do think that is 2XL written all over that. So yeah, just bear that in mind when you're looking at stuff on the website. That is so heavy, man. So thick. Up next, probably one of my favourite colours, the petrol green Stone Island hoodie. This one's a size medium. It's 22.5 pit to pit though. It might actually fit a large. I haven't tried it on, but 22.5 pit to pit might be alright if you're like a slimmer large, to be honest with you. It does seem like it fits in every other aspect. So yeah, again, just check those measurements. So it's a new style one. You've got the popper collar and then you've got the popper kangaroo pouch as well. But look at the colour on that, absolutely stunning. Up next, the Stone Island nylon overshirt in this lovely silver colour. This one's XL, I think it's 24 pit to pit, so true to size, extra large, really nice. Got the white cuffs as well, nice little touch. And then we've got this absolute beaut, a Stone Island 50 Philly quilted TC jacket in this nice beige colour. What do we think of this, boys? I think this is very, very smart, very, very nice. Something you don't see every day as well. The 50 Philly quilted TC piece right here. It's an XXL and I think it's 25.5 pit to pit, which is true to size for a 2XL. So that's coming up really nicely for a 2XL. I don't think this piece will hang about very long. It's too nice. Too nice, lovely colour as well. So we got another ghost jumper in like we did last week. Last week's one was a medium fit a large. Yeah, it was a medium it fit a large. This piece is a large and it fits an extra large. So this is 24 pit to pit and look at the colour of that. Look how beautiful that is. The last one sold quite quickly. I can imagine this one will go quite quickly as well. But yeah, very, very nice. Ghost does not hang about very long. Up next, something a little bit different. This is I can't remember what the name of it is. It's like a wool zip up jacket type thing. It's got fluff on the inside all the way in, like fur all the way in. Like, is that fur? It's not fur. What is it? Fluff. Let's call it fluff. It's got like fluff on the inside all the way through it, so it's nice and thick and woolly. It's got this nice sort of thick material on the outside. It's beigey colour with the white pockets again, and it's a really nice smart jacket. Definitely a cozy feel in that piece. This one's an XL as well. I think it's 25 pit to pit. Then up next, we've got a stony black overshirt in XXL. I think this one's 27 pit to pit. These do come up a little bit big. It's the buttoned one, the thicker quality buttoned one. As I say, it's 27 pit to pit, which means it probably fits a 3XL or a big 2XL. Just bit my tongue, you motherfucker. Sorry if I speak weird now, just bit my tongue. Fuck's sake. Right. Up next, we've got this Primaloft insulated stony light blue jumper. This one is in a 3XL, coming in at 27.5 pit to pit. I want to remember from the top of my head, I think that's about right. But it's got the Primaloft insulation across the back. We've also got some nice detailing in between the stitching. It's got the stony badge right there. And then it's also got the stony badge going down the arm there, which I think is a really cool touch. Yeah, nice light blue piece with the arm badge, of course. Yeah, it's just like a super warm jumper. Then we got two navy Stone Island hoodies, both in extra large, both brand new with tags, both coming at 24 pit to pit, which is very nice. True to size, extra large. Then I was looking for a nice navy hoodie. And then we got some 36 waist green cargos. I think these are front badge cargos as well. Yeah, so these are front badge cargos as well. They got the elasticated waist. They are straight leg as well, so not cuffed. I'm pretty sure they're 30 inside leg as well, so they're really good sizing. If anyone's interested in these, I'll be on the website at clobberisland.co.uk. And just let you know as well, we did put a few extra bits on the website, some used pieces like Marina t-shirt on there. There's some hoodies, some jumpers, a few little bits on there that are used and not with me here, but with my business partner's address, so he put them on there. But just so you know, they're on the website as well, so we're constantly updating the website. There'll be some new stock going on hopefully at the end of this week or at the weekend or something like that. So yeah, every week we'll be putting new stock on there, so just constantly check the website if you're looking at stony stuff. There's plenty to choose from. And that'll be all for this video. I really appreciate you all joining me. Thank you so much. Please hit like, please hit subscribe on the channel. Let me know which piece was your favourite. If there's any pieces you'll be grabbing, let us know in the comments so everyone can see what you're grabbing as well. It's really nice, a little community we're building, seeing the same people in the comments supporting me. Really do appreciate you all. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.